This is Pulse of PNG, bringing you the stories that matter most. We spotlight one of the most remarkable journeys of science, sacrifice, and innovation to come out of Papua New Guinea. From a university classroom to what could soon be a globally recognized medical cure, two young PNG chemists have developed a treatment that is not only saving lives, but also putting Papua New Guinea firmly on the world map of innovation. It all began in the laboratories of the University of Papua New Guinea. Two final-year chemistry students, Velina Markson and Sharon Namiai, were working on a routine project, one of many assignments they had to complete before graduating. But inside those lecture halls and research labs, something extraordinary happened. Through persistence, experiments, and determination, they discovered what we now know as Peri Oil. Peri Oil is a topical treatment, a simple-looking oil that delivers powerful results. It targets some of the most stubborn and painful wounds, diabetic ulcers, cancerous wounds, and other chronic conditions that leave patients suffering for years. The results? Nothing short of astonishing. While modern medicine struggles to close such wounds in months, Peri Oil has been shown to work in just 3 to 7 days. For people living with chronic wounds, this isn't just medicine, it's a miracle. Take the case of Wesley Manjip from New Ireland province. For years, he lived with wounds that no doctor could heal, daily pain, endless treatment attempts, and no progress. But after applying Peri Oil, Wesley's wounds finally began to heal. It's stories like Wesley's that have given new hope to families across the country. For diabetic patients who once faced the risk of amputation, for cancer patients battling open wounds, and for countless others quietly enduring pain with no solution. Peri Oil has become a light in the darkness. But this discovery didn't come easily. In 2025, Velina and Sharon made a decision that very few would dare to make. They walked away from secure jobs and steady incomes. They risked their careers, their financial security, and their personal lives, all to pursue this one dream. With no big pharmaceutical company behind them, no government funding, and no international sponsor, they used their own savings. Every kina went into laboratory testing, medical validation, and chasing the approvals they needed. The road has been anything but smooth. They faced skepticism, rejection, and the constant pressure of running out of money. But through it all, they kept their eyes fixed on the patients who needed them most. As Sharon put it so powerfully, every day we meet people in unbearable pain. When we saw Peri Oil working in just days where other treatments failed, we knew we had to pursue this, no matter the cost. To truly understand the scale of this breakthrough, you need to know this. Globally, billions of dollars are poured into medical research every year. But almost all of that research focuses on internal treatments. Tablets, capsules, injections, and vaccines. Very few innovations ever target the external wounds that destroy quality of life for millions worldwide. These are wounds that prevent people from walking, from working, from sleeping. Wounds that keep families in distress. And yet, here in Papua New Guinea, two determined chemists have stepped into that global gap. Peri Oil is tackling a problem that most of the world has ignored. That is why this discovery matters far beyond our borders. Today, Peri Oil is at a critical crossroads. The oil has been tested. The results are visible. The impact is real. But for it to reach hospitals, clinics, and pharmacies, it must pass through final testing, approvals, and large-scale production. This is where the challenge lies. Without financial support, without government backing, without investment, Peri Oil risks remaining stuck in the lab instead of reaching the people who need it most. The question is, will Papua New Guinea rally behind its own innovators? Will leaders, businesses, and communities step forward to support a discovery that could change global healthcare? Velina Markson and Sharon Namiai have proven something powerful, that groundbreaking innovation does not only come from the West, from billion-dollar labs, or from high-tech countries. It can come from the classrooms of Waigani, from the resourcefulness of Papua New Guinean minds, and from the determination of two women who refuse to give up. This is not just their story. It is a story of national pride. A story that says Papua New Guinea can contribute to the world, not only in resources but in knowledge, science, and human progress. From the classroom to the cure. Peri Oil is more than a discovery. It is a reminder that the next big solution may come not from overseas, but from right here at home. At Pulse of PNG, we will continue to follow this inspiring journey, one that proves when we believe in our people, extraordinary things can happen.